Job well done, Aiden. So, PJ, what do you think?
About the act? Well, I mean, that's pretty complicated. It's kind of difficult to figure.
No. Do you think he could take over as host next year?
Jocelyn, you really need to get over this.
You're right. I don't think he's the one either. I mean, he's great, and his act was really cool, but there's just something missing. He doesn't look anything like me.
We're choosing the next MC based on how closely they resemble you.
Don't be silly, PJ. There are a lot of factors to be considered. I know. We should make a list. I'll announce the act while you start to write down some ideas. We can make it like right on the side. Right there. Like all the qualifications. That'd be good. Okay. Our second performance of the evening comes from senior Morgan Crespo. Not only will she be singing for us, but she will also be accompanying herself on the piano. She will be singing Almost Is Never Enough. Ladies and gentlemen, Morgan Crespo.